I-70 eastbound in Missouri. Playing to Love's here in Boonville, Missouri. Scrub off the windows a little bit, I think, and we got a little bit of build up from the wet road stuff was kicked up. So diesel here is $2.78. I filled up a little bit yesterday at under $3, like $2.98. Open lane here, maybe? No open lanes. No open lanes, so we're gonna use a scale here to make a U-turn. We're gonna do a quick get out and look-see, then hit the road again. No, I sent him my my phone number, but he hasn't responded. I mean, I sent him a message to Qualcomm because the Melton didn't give me his number. I only had his truck number, so I sent the message to that truck. Said here's my number, here's my ETA, blah 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 blah. But I didn't get anything back from anybody, so it's like. Well, like I said, I'm early. It's like 10 minutes to 10 or 15 minutes to 10. I'm not supposed to be until 12:30. So.
In 1 mile, take I-162.
Like I said, I'd rather be early and wait for him than have him wait for me. That way, there's nobody can blame me for anything.
In 0.2 miles, take I-162 and then keep to the left in 0.2 miles.
Ready. There's a pilot across the street. Ooh, there's a Jack in the Box right there. I may actually try Jack in the Box for the first time. No, they're all over the place. I mean, but it's just that it's. Well, I've seen him in Florida. Seen it in. Yeah, I've seen it down there. Yeah. There's a Jack in the Box right next to the Pilot, which is right across the street from the TA. So I don't see any Melton truck at the TA right now, but I can't see them all. But I think I might do that for lunch. I gotta do a.
To the left on Edwards
I've done 295 miles, so that's half a day right there. Yeah, shut up. So I've already done half a day, worth of driving. So now it's just eating into my clock time. But there's plenty of parking here, so it's not going to be too bad. And these two jackasses are parked way up in front of the line to do that turn. There's like 4 car lengths in front of the line. It's like, you couldn't wait half a moment? Wow. I mean, what are you, from Miami? That's the way they drive down there. Oh yeah. 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 Oh yeah, I had one guy like that when I stopped yesterday, for a little pit stop. Everybody else parked in nice, neat lines, plenty of park spots. This jagoff is parked just willy-nilly, where there's not even where there's a parking spot, but he was still taking up space where like 4 people could have been. Oh yeah, juiciest, butteriest, craviest. That's their motto. That's their little thing on Jack in the Box. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. I think I may walk. I don't know what time is it now. 10. It's almost 10 o'clock. Yeah. Yeah. Well, see, the last time I actually went to a Jack in the Box was 1981 in Baltimore was the last time that I actually went to a Jack in the Box. Yeah, I would say. What are we talking? 38 years? You know, going on 40 years. I think I see my reload. Oh yeah, yeah, it's like 300 million now. Yeah, all scratch off. Sweet Magula Garula. Oh, those are always hard for me. I've never seen them win more than 2 bars. Yeah. Hey, you know, if you're on a roll, you know. Hey, you know, you're up, so no worries. All right, let's go off duty here. Bang, there we go. Turn that off. Turn that off. Delete all that crap. Oh, my guy's already here, so I'm gonna have to call you back later, my friend. So you're gonna have to do some switching here. Just be safe out there, sir. All right, bye. Woo. Righty. We got our load off. Barely. So we are now heading out to the TA in Elgin, Hampshire, or Hampshire, however they say it here in Illinois. We got a reserve spot, so I know I have a parking spot. I got 30 miles to go.
In 1.5 miles, keep to the right on I-11.
I got 30 miles to go, and I got an hour and 3 minutes to get there. It's 5:20 in the evening, the west side of Chicago, Addison. I'm on I-270, about to get, or I-290, about to get on to 90 West. Pretty much heading towards Rockford. That's the only problem is I only got an hour and 3 I can do anything with as far as drive, so I cannot broke any real delay. So as long as I-90 is rolling good and I can maintain a highway speed, we'll be okay. These are the kind of times that I really hate. And of course it's backed up here. Stopping traffic. I said I only got you know like half an hour to spare. I mean, 28 miles ago it says it takes 34 minutes, and I got an hour and 2 of drive time. Yeah, this is not going to be any kind of enjoyable for me. Shit. And now we gotta look for these signs, because yeah, so we'll see what happens along the road. If I gotta pull over and park on the shoulder or an exit ramp, you know, we're going to have to call safety saying, hey, I had to violate it because I was stuck in traffic. So I'm going to turn up the camera because I need that memory just in case that happens.